Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your tips for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. And the second one. Now select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one. And attach it. Here we go. And also the right one. And that's it, basically a simple one. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!